So as you guys see, be careful with these clamps. I'm bleeding pretty bad, but after this I'll throw rubbing alcohol on it, clean it up good, and go about my business. So you got my tech angle, just using torque 45 foot-pounds, and I'm going to set you up and try to see what I'm doing. Hopefully I don't crack my screen or something. I'm going to try to get my wrench on there, hold it, and do this at the same time. And really, this is not going to be fun or easy, but we'll try it. Yeah, not going to be easy with all this in the way. Let's see if I can get it. Now it's really in the way here. I can't see it, so I'm going to have to go on the beep. There's not a lot of space. I'm gonna torque it down good. Pretty good. That's pretty tight. I don't know how much. Oh boy. Yeah, not fun. This ratchet's too long. I don't even know how many foot-pounds I got to turn the thing off. What the hell? Let me try this here, and then it'll be easier this way. Not really. Oh boy. Oh, Jiminy Christmas. I should have put it in a different spot. I should put a different spot. Crap. Anyway, guys, I'll have this wrapped up here soon. That's actually pretty formed around there, I can tell. But I'm gonna try to make sure it's buttoned up. I've got to get this one the rest of the way. And remember to like, subscribe, comment, share. All that good stuff once we hit 100, doing a free giveaway. Love you all. Peace out.